Here we go! Time to watch some TV!
Breaking news! I'm looking for a secretary and a president. So if you have the skills to do it, come to me!
Oh, Toad's such a good newsman. It would be such a shame if something happened to him. Was that the toilet? Oh, I guess not. Ah! Huh. What the heck happened?
Well, I was kind of delivering this package and I heard a couple of bones cracking and some blood moving and smells like sweat and there's holes in it. I don't know why.
What? Okay.
Bye.
Well, I feel like the channel What's Inside. But it was delivered by a kid that is always having to pee, and he's seen some traumatizing stuff. Also, he came through a bathtub. Okay, never mind. We're just gonna unbox this one. Oh.
How many bones did I break? Oh, well, probably like 2,000.
What? Carl? What are you doing here?
Oh, you don't even ask about mwah.
Who are
Billy.
you? What?
Oh, wait, no, Bob. I always forget my name. We're both idiots.
Huh. We'll get along really nice. Hey.
Yeah.
What? Did you guys hear about the newest election?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to run for president with me?
I don't want to president. I want to be vice president.
Oh, then you'll run against Toad. He'll hate
I will
you.
be secretary.
Yay! Come on, guys, let's go.
Hi, I'm Toad. Breaking news! If you feel like you have the guts to go against me in being a secretary or just being a president,
Okay.
come on down!
Well, so Toad's holding an election. I might as well go. I mean, I'll win because my words are very articulate. Hey, Toad!
Hi, what's up? Are you guys here for the election?
Yes, we are very much. Yeah, we're here for the election.
I'm going to be president of the USA.
If you want to be president, then you will have to do.
I'm gonna eat you. I saw things I wasn't supposed to see.
Well, it's okay, because since you got more hits, you won. Next up, me and Carl. I'm gonna... Oh, I'm too broken to do anything. Okay, so since Bob was the only one standing for secretary, oh, God.
Wrong way. Turn around.
What? Oh, hi. There you are. So I pretty much want to be secretary, and you're in my way.
You're a disgrace.
I gotta pee.
I'm coming for you, boy. Your boy's here.
Go away. I'm trying to pee.
I will come in.
Oh no. Okay. Well, now that that's done, whose shirt are you wearing?
Another, let's just say he had a bad poop.
Okay. Well, the winner of this election is... Dog.
What?